Something very, very big and significant, something that will be so significant for decades, happened today in the world of AI in May of 2026. They made compute a tradable commodity. Just like you can trade an oil, gold, coffee, agriculture produce, going forward, you will be able to just buy compute. This changes the game for a lot of those big tech companies that we invest in. Who did this? So, Chicago Mercantile Exchange, which is the largest commodity exchange in the world, who actually also listed oil in back in 1983 when they realized that oil will be very important. And after that, oil became a global commodity, and most of the commodity which are global and so much in demand go through this. Today, compute passed that bridge and now it will be listed. So CME tied up with this company called Silicon Data, who produces a lot of underlying indexes and data to make these compute tradable. Like what should be the GPU price, what should be the power price, how should be the distance from compute needed to data center be factored in. A lot of these things they factored in and created indexes. These data indexes or computer indexes will be used by CME, who will then make compute tradable. Of course, they have put it with the regulators today and it became public. And should the regulators agree, which in US mostly they do, it will become tradable by end of the year. The implications will be immense. For example, you could say that Nvidia will still continue to be important because they make the GPU, but the compute pricing and margin goes to somebody like a Google Cloud, goes to somebody like a Azure, and probably they'll not be that important because pricing margin happens because of opacity of price, and that's why they get margin. They might not get it. If the compute price globally falls, Google Cloud cannot say that I'll still charge you that price, because people will say, oh, globally the price is this, let me go and buy from some neo cloud. So especially the data center companies that are coming in, their pricing power will go away. Lot of fancy financial products will come in. Like on oil, you have oil derivatives. On real estate, you have real estate REITs or real estate backed securities. All of that will now happen in compute. It really just expands the market for compute trading. Sovereigns will come in, they will hold it in their pension fund, they'll just buy compute. They might not buy a lot of these underlying companies. So lot will change in terms of what's important, what's not important, who gets the margin, who gets the revenue. This is a really tectonic shift. It's a huge change. Again, compute became the tradable oil. And what happened to oil in 1983 is happening today to compute.